Hello, everyone. On this beautiful, breezy morning, I want to welcome you to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. I'm Marva, and thank you for stopping by. And thank you in advance for watching the entire video. Well, this morning, I'm taking you back right here to this tree. See that? Yep, we're going to do some harvesting. Come with me. Let's go check out those papayas. Yes, welcome to the loaded papaya tree. Check out. This is a very tall, loaded tree. And at the very top, you think it's over. But look at those blossoms. That means it will bear more fruits. Yes. However, we're here to get these. Now, one of them is going bad at the top, but that can be cut off. The rest of it is very good. Let's get this. Yeah, it looks very sweet. This one is looking better. Yes, there is nothing better than harvesting your own produce. The joy it gives is so amazing. So go ahead, plant something, test it out, and you'll see that what I'm saying is very real. Let me show you another tree. See this one? Notice that it is small or shorter compared to this one. And the reason for this one is a dwarf tree. Look at all the papayas that are there already. And the shape is quite different. More rounded. Yeah. This is our first dwarf one. And there's lots more to come on this tree. Do you like papayas? Ah, so delicious. Thank you so much for stopping by. And do come back again. And if you've not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And also consider becoming a member. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you for your comments. And don't forget to share the video. Come back next time and see what's happening right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.